Hey friends, let's learn together.
Whoa.
Hey everyone, hi, let's high five. Yeah, high five. Awesome, that was fun. Again, high five. Awesome. Let's go explore. Yeah, the water tap. I love our compound. Me too.
Before you eat your ninshima, let's do
dirty
what is
hands.
right. Soap and clean water, rub them nice and slow. Front and back and in between, watch the bubbles grow. Before we eat,
Twasamba kuminwe.
after toilet,
Twasamba kuminwe.
healthy children everywhere. Show the germs we care.
Wash, wash, wash your hands. Make them nice and clean. Pamulu, panshi, pakati.
Top bottom in between.
Twasamba kuminwe.
Wash, wash, wash your hands every single day.
Twasamba kuminwe, keep the germs away.
My hands are all clean and glowy. And the germs and rinse, all clean. Look, the water tap. Yeah, let's go.
After playing football, after touching the ground,
Hey chickens,
after
let's give them
feeding
some
the
food.
chickens,
Here you go, chickens.
germs are all around.
Turn the tap and count to 20. Let's all sing along.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Clean hands make us strong.
What do we do before we eat? Twasamba kuminwe.
Twasamba kuminwe.
What do we do after we play? Twasamba kuminwe.
Germs
How long
and
do we
rinse,
scrub?
come on,
1, 2,
clean.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more. 8, 9, 10.
Germs
Up
and
to
rinse,
20.
all clean.
Then we're clean again.
Wash, wash, wash your hands. Soap and water too.
Pamulu, panshi, pakati. That means me and you.
Wash, wash, wash your hands.
Shine like morning sun. Twasamba kuminwe, healthy kids have fun. Twasamba kuminwe.
Twasamba kuminwe. Clean hands every day.
Clean hands every day.
Remember, Twasamba kuminwe. See you next time. Bye friends.